Hi and welcome back to the Simple Web Start Learning Centre, and in this video what I'm going to do is show you how to add HTML code to your website or to a web page. So if this is the first time that you're watching any of the videos on the channel, and particularly this one, then I have also got a free Sitebuilder demo online, so you could watch this and then go and try it out yourself on a template. So to do that, like I say, I'll leave you a link in the description, but if you click on Sitebuilder demo, which is this page here, and then click on this link here, that will then take you over to where the templates are, and then what you can do, you can follow on from there. So if you have got an hosting account with me, then obviously you log into your control panel and then go over to your editor. So when you've arrived at your website, or if it's a demo template, what you'll need to do is add a content block. Now what I've done is I've added a page already, so if I just scroll down the page, I've added this page here. So if I click on that, and then what I'll do, I'll add the video here, and then in the resources I'll add the code for you, so you can then copy it and then add it to your website. Now the other way that you can do it as well is, which I've done, I went over to Bing Copilot, or you can go on to ChatGPT, and I asked it to give me some HTML code in this example, and you could do exactly the same thing. So if I copy this and then just come out of that, and let's say I want to add a bit of code here, then I would add a content block. We're in content, down to apps, and then you click on the custom HTML block, which then brings this up, and as you can see, you can add HTML, CSS and JavaScript. And then what I need to do is right click and paste, and that's put the code in there, and then click continue, and there you go, that has added the code, and this is what it's sort of come up with. So if I go into the code, this is the code in here, and what I'll do is I'll leave this code on the web page for you, so you'll be able to copy and then paste this in, and then you can put that on your web page or on the demo template as well. Save changes, and then like I say, there you go. So what I'll do is I'll leave this under the resources for you, but it will actually be the HTML code and not this. So anyway, that's how to add some code in, or HTML code in, to your website. Thanks for watching, and if you're interested in more videos like this, then please subscribe to the channel, and you'll be able to keep updated in what I'm adding. Anyway, thanks a lot, and I'll see you on the next video.